The power of the sun drives the seasons, transforming our planet. Vast movements of ocean and air currents bring dramatic change throughout the year. And in a few special places, these seasonal changes create some of the greatest wildlife spectacles on Earth. The most dramatic event in the world's oceans happens off the eastern shores of South Africa. These cool waters create the perfect conditions for a spectacle of epic proportions. And everything revolves around the humble sardine. Each year, millions of them are swept up Africa's coast on a desperate winter journey. Following them comes what will become the biggest army of predators anywhere on the planet.